Hi, welcome back to Ensign Equipment. I'm Andrew Hartline, Sales Manager here, and I've got a short options video to go over with you today for our container dumpers. Now, Ensign Equipment manufactures the industry's best container dumper solution on the market, and after decades of use, several thousands of hours of operations, even our dumpers are going to need some maintenance. What happens most commonly is that dumpers get stuck in the up position due to the fact that the down solenoid valve or the coil has failed. That's after several thousands of cycles, maybe even upwards of millions, to be honest with you. But what happens in our hydraulic system is we achieve coming back to the home position or the down position by energizing this coil right here, which sucks up a valve and allows the fluid and gravity to push back through the hoses into the manifold and back into the tank. Now, what can happen if the coil fails or the valve fails and you're in mid-cycle is now you've got an energized system with hydraulic fluid in your cylinders, and you need to get the bucket back down to the home position in order to continue troubleshooting and replace whatever parts have needed to be replaced. In the instance of not having the option I'm about to review, how you would accomplish that would be by slowly disconnecting and loosening the hydraulic lines from each cylinder to allow the fluid to escape onto the floor, which is going to be a tremendous housekeeping mess that you will then have to clean up as well. What we have here, though, is our hand valve manual override with an interlock switch. This is lockout tag outable, but what you can do with this option is come to the back of the bucket if this issue were to happen, and then manually override with the hand valve here, the down solenoid valve. And what this is going to do is override this so that we can have fluid come back to the tank without any housekeeping messes here. So it tremendously speeds up the time for the maintenance operation in and of itself, as well as mitigating a lot of the mess that will happen without this option. Once it's back home, we can close that, lock it if we need to, go back, reset the machine, and then start to continue troubleshooting to determine was it the coil, the valve, etc., and then replace the part. As we've reviewed in many of our other videos, Ensign is very focused on the maintenance, maintainability of our machines. So we do utilize a modular hydraulic system that has cartridge style valves that can be easily replaced. We keep them on our shelf, and they're locally sourceable from any Parker distributor. So this option is a great feature to speed up that troubleshooting. If you got any more questions, please contact your sales engineers. Otherwise, thanks for watching. We'll catch you on the next one.